Preparing headset. Hello.
What's up everybody? Hope you guys are doing good. Welcome back to the channel. Finny here. My name is Lalit and I currently ride a Continental GT650. Today is 16 June. I know it's been a while since my last video on the channel. Sorry for the silence. I've been busy with a couple of things. At the same time, I was waiting for a couple of stuff to arrive just to better my video content overall for you guys. Lately, there was one task pending from a couple of months since pandemic. So there was a annual checkup for my external PPF was pending. So thought let's get that sorted out first today. It's been a while since I have taken my motorcycle out. So here I am. Today is going to ceramic row at Rajajinagar. So lockdown is completed. So we are into unlocking phases. So unlock phase 1 is already done. Normalcy is like almost back. That's a good sign, good relief for many. There's a huge spike in cases every day. Can't help it. But people should understand one thing, that this unlocking is for a reason. The main reason is to boom our economy back. Lately I've been seeing Bangalore roads. Lately people have been gone crazy, riding recklessly, riding in one ways. The roads are currently very prone to accidents. So if you guys venture out, just be cautious. Roads are empty, agree, but at the same time it's very risky. It's not happening. Just be cautious. I'm running late. We're almost there. Here we are. Just reached. checkup is done, the PPF checkup is completed. So there was few airline scratches which have been removed. Now a bit of detailing after the wash and dry. Thank you. Thank you. So done with the task for today. Heading back home. So the other things what you need to do after washing your motorcycle would be like a bit of lubricating your side stand, main stand, your levers. And you can use a WD-40 and like spray on your switches, all your complete switches on your handlebar. Those are the like tiny things which you need to take care. Back home. Let's do a pending task and finish this work today. Check this out. So after a wash, after a heavy wash, this is a must. Done with the WD-40. Just lube, just apply some grease on the levers and the side stand. Spray some wax, much needed. Monsoons, so this is a liquid wax from Maxima. So we're done with today's video. I'll see you on the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.